Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2025 Corvette Z06 3LZ Coupe. It has the Z07 performance package, carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber Aero package, and is painted in Arctic white with the sky cool gray seats. All right, we'll start at the rear. So we have the hood open. You can see the glass partition, and here's it is, the mid-engine 5.5 liter flat plane crank V8 engine. It's naturally aspirated, producing 670 horsepower. It's also a hand-built engine. You can see there's your engine builder for this one. We do have the 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission backing up to it, and then we have the MagRide on the Z06s. Coming back here, you're going to see the rear trunk with the removable roof in it. It's made of carbon fiber, nice and light, and with the roof on the car, you can still store items. I'll just show you underneath. If I can get back under there, you can see it has the beautiful stitching all throughout and the Alcantara liner. We'll go ahead and close the hood. It does have the soft close. Zooming out, you can see the black dash. There's your rear camera mirror, and then we have the Corvette badge. And then check out this beautiful wing. I'll just show you on the side here, very, very faint. You can kind of see carbon Aero on it. It is made of carbon fiber, painted in carbon flash metallic. As we step back here, you're gonna see the wide body on the Z06 with the NPP performance exhaust down below. It's a center mount exhaust with quad tips. So it's an active exhaust system, so you can make it loud or quiet. All right, let's check out the wheels next. So starting with this wheel here, we got a massive wheel back here. Right off the hop, you're gonna see the carbon ceramic brakes made by Brembo. It's a massive brake package here. And it's mounted with the carbon fiber rims. And it's painted in carbon flash metallic. The Z07 gets the Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires, 345/25 ZR21 in the rear. All right, we'll show you the front wheel next. Look how massive that brake is, really fills up that rim. And then we have a front tire size of 275/30 ZR20. On those calipers, they are a dark gray Corvette Brembo carbon ceramic. You can see the rotors there. Let's check out the interior next. So we have the jet black door panel. You can see the nice gray straight stitch here, as well as that beautiful black stitching on the panel. These are authentic leather door panels, being a 3LZ model, so really premium. The BOSE Performance Series sound system with 14 speakers, memory for your passenger, power windows, locks, and your door release. Dash on this side, also authentic leather. More gray stitching on the dash. We got the glove box there. Here's your door jambs, nice and tidy. Z06 kick plate down below. Premium carpeted mats with the stitching, and then we have your 8-way power seat with the bolsters. We'll scan the seat here. These are the GT2 seats, sky cool gray leather seats with the Alcantara inserts. What a beautiful combination. Exposed carbon fiber with the Corvette flags, more Alcantara, the seatbelt loops, and we have the lock seat belts. All right, zoom in here, you can see the cockpit there, and right behind you is the engine. So really cool view. We have the speaker grill there, Z06, and a wireless charging station for your cell phone. 3LZ's also going to give you the Alcantara B-pillar. We already showed you the roof liner. Here's the visors, and as well as the A-pillar there. So a lot of luxury in the 3LZ. All right, starting back here to show you that really cool Z07 wing, carbon flash metallic. We'll walk down the vehicle here. Here's your sky cool seats, GT2s, body colored mirrors, signals built in. Then we got the carbon flash vent around that boomerang. Check out the wheels from this angle here. Then we got the Z06 badging down below, and you can see this massive air vent. Let's just put my hand in here. You can see it almost covers my whole hand, so really sucking that air through. We got the carbon flash side skirts, and then we got this really wicked looking front spoiler with the dive plates. I'll just feel down here, and that all feels good to me. We do have front cameras, and here's our frunk. Inside the front, we got more storage. And we got the divider, the 12-volt socket charger battery with a trickle charger. All right, we'll close up the front. Also has a soft close with LED projector headlights. Check out the paint here. Shines like anything. It's just been 5-stage polished by our team, so this one is ready to go. Let's just go on the side of the car here. Let's see if we can get a good angle and give it a wave. You can see my hand here. Now that is white on white, so there is a good reflection there. All right, let's make our way to the wheels on this side. And the last wheel. Of course, the Z07 gets the performance suspension as well. Here's our door panel on this side. So we do have the blind spot monitoring, power folding mirrors. We'll put it back in again. And again, that authentic leather door panel, nice, beautiful stitching. I love that design there. BOSE Performance Series sound system, memory package for your driver, power mirrors, windows, locks, door release, and your fronts. All right, dash on this side, again, authentic leather, heads-up display, so that will project onto the windshield. Door panels look great. Our pedals down below, our mats. Here's your power seats, and again, that two-tone, the Napa leather with the Alcantara inserts, all done in sky cool gray. Very cool. Let's jump in. Okay, door closed up. Got the sleek vents over here, heads-up display controls, dash dimming lights, electronic parking brake. On the steering column, we have power tilt and telescopic wheel. Headlight controls. We have paddle shifts on both sides, upshift, downshift, and they are the carbon fiber. Cruise control, Z for your performance. We have the lane help there, and we have audio. Your heated steering wheel, there we go. Bluetooth, Aero keys, and your windshield wiper settings. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. Let's push button start. Wow, flat plane crank engine just screams. You're gonna see the exposed carbon fiber wheel, another upgrade. Got that silver center point, flat top, flat bottom, Z06, got the leather door cover with the flags, Alcantara on the sides with the gray stitching. Let's bring it into the dash. So it's fully digital, mileage on the car, only 5,958 kilometers. Up in the visor, got the universal garage door opener. Here's your rear camera mirror. I'll flick that there. You can see it's light sensitive, so you can use it how you prefer. Then we have your 8-inch touchscreen down below. We'll start over here. It's Google based, so we got Google Maps there. You got your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Here's your front cameras, front of the car. Scroll to the next page. We got performance data recorder. Here's your climate controls. And we'll throw it in reverse next. So you can see your reverse camera. Here's your automatic shifter control, traction control, front camera, and here's your dial for your mode selector. So let's swing it back into the dash, and we'll turn the dial to the beginning. So we're starting with weather mode. We got my mode, so you can customize it, and you can see it's changing the metrics. Now I'll bring it over the screen, so it's changing those metrics here. So there's tour mode, sport mode, and finally track mode. All right, down here, climate control tower, we have heated and ventilated seats. 2 cup holders. Lift up the console lid, put my hand, you can see depth with media ports there. All right, we're gonna open up the door, we'll get these lights on, and we'll get a few revs. One more time. It's a screamer. Wow. And that was only 5,000 RPM. It goes way higher than that. Let's bring you to the front here, show you what the car looks like with the headlights on. Look at that. What a wicked look. I think I did see one little mark on the car right there.